why gold prices are rising every day, and why countries are buying more. Gold prices are hitting new highs almost every single day. But why is this happening? And if gold is so costly, why are countries like China, India, and Russia buying even more of it? Global uncertainty. As the world faces economic slowdown, wars, and political tensions, investors look for safety. And for centuries, the safest asset has been gold. So the demand rises, and so does the price. The dollar gold relationship. Gold and the US dollar usually move in opposite directions. When the dollar becomes weak globally, gold becomes more attractive, and that pushes the gold prices up internationally. But for normal people in countries like India, gold doesn't feel cheaper. Why? Because the Indian rupee also stays weak, taxes are high, and demand is strong. So, gold remains expensive locally even if the dollar weakens. India, Russia, China, and many other countries are buying gold like never before, not to make profit but to gain power. Why these countries are buying gold even at high prices? Reasons are to reduce dependence on US dollar, to protect their own currencies during global instability, to prepare for a new multipolar world financial system because gold is a long-term asset, not a short-term investment. Gold is independent, no country controls it, it cannot be frozen or sanctioned. What about the United States? Does the US buy gold? Yes, but not aggressively. The US already holds the largest gold reserves in the world, over 8,000 tons. This massive stockpile strengthens the dollar and gives America huge financial power. So the US doesn't need to buy more. Other nations buy gold to protect themselves from dollar, but the US controls the dollar. Gold is more than matter, it's security, power, and financial independence.